What do you think the future currency will look like? Confused on whether it will be a paper or plastic or simply a coin? You don't need to hold those big wallets now. Because China has introduced digital yuan already. Yes. Now money doesn't need physical existence. You can use your money simply with a click of your phone. The pilot test of Chinese digital yuan took place in Suzhou City, Shanghai, in China. At least 181,000 people were targeted, and they were given 55 Chinese digital yuan each as a free bonus. The experiment took 5 days from 1st to May 5th, named the Double Fifth Shopping Festival. People were allowed to buy from the shops and outlets who were up for this experiment. After the success of the first test, another bigger test was conducted by the People's Bank of China. This targeted a sum of 500,000 people from 11 different Chinese localities. The eligibility criteria were simple. Just download the digital application on mobiles and enjoy a free wallet and digital money. Thousands of mega stores and businesses also participated in the experiment, which received discounts in turn. The currency was seen as a great success. And this actually answers why China was cracking down on cryptocurrency. Right. This digital yuan is secured by a tamper-proof online ledger technology with blockchain deployment, just like Ethereum and Bitcoin. But the People's Bank of China controls this blockchain overall and only allows licensed ones to use it. In its latest trial, China has brought this currency to its neighbors Hong Kong and Shenzhen. Thus, this platform is expected to grow global, expanding its experience to the Arab Emirates, Thailand, and international banks. Although this digital currency has been under test in many other countries too, China is going to be the first country to put this practice into the market. Although the exact date of announcement of this currency has not been released yet, it is expected in the next 12 months. On the other hand, the Western countries like the USA, UK, and the European banks are taking very careful and measured steps towards adopting this digital currency concept by introducing Central Bank Digital Currencies (CBDCs). The privacy risks in the digital currency keep them from making this go public, because the blockchain keeps the track of money in each digital account. However, this digital advancement still inquires about the financial stability of global communities, waiting for a response from their side. So mainly, what is good about this digital currency system? The digital yuan has already taken the status of a legitimate tender. In its rage, the digital yuan has taken the online payment system to a new level. Instead of keeping the transactions in process for days and weeks, while losing a chunk of it as the service fee, it is not only a quick replacement, but also transfers the money in a matter of seconds, without cutting any tax or service fee. So mainly, it's reducing the loss of money and time in third-party hands, thus putting the future of Alipay, PayPal, and banks at risk. Moreover, it is beating cryptocurrency supremacy by being a more secure and legally supported currency. It also empowers the government, allowing it to keep a track of its money supply, inflation, and corruption. Contrasting to cash, this system allows the government to track the transactions easily on a single platform. While there are so many benefits in it for China, there are some potential risks attached to this vibrant digital system as well. The first one is the threat posed for the international currencies. The dollar is the most widely used currency, especially in international trading. Currently, 60% of the total money in the world is in US dollars. This allows Americans to buy goods at a cheaper price than any other country in the world. For example, in 2019, China exported goods of $134 billion worth. However, this digital yuan will not allow the dollar to be used as an exchange currency for its goods. China exports its products in 120 countries, being the biggest trader in the world. Since it loses a big chunk of money in exchanging the currency from dollars to yuans, the digital yuan will allow them to trade directly in their own money. Thus, dollars are now at risk of replacement with the yuans. Since paper money was also first introduced by China, under the Song dynasty of the 11th century, the digital currency is also firstly taken ahead by China. Digital money has become the cheaper replacement for paper money. This may sound better, but the second risk raised by it is the requirements of central banks. What if they fail to meet the claims for digital currency? Because the market forces definitely will. Now, the third risk is for the countries who might not be able to introduce digital currency in their systems. This failure will result in losing control of their central banks over the cryptocurrency's policy enforcement. Since the future is going digital with cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin and related coins will become more common in these countries, failing their own paper money by the central banks. Even if they will impose laws banning cryptocurrency, it will become a halt in the way of their progress. Because of these risks, the digital yuan is facing a backlash from US and European governments. China is definitely going to take it in its stride. It will definitely force the US, UK, and Europe to start testing their own digital currency as soon as possible. Otherwise, the risks may become even higher for them. Do you agree? Share your reviews in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. Share it with your fellows. Subscribe to Success Dose for more amazing content like this. Press the bell icon to stay updated with everything that we post. See you soon with another video.